If you've been following the financial news lately, you've probably noticed a lot of buzz about certain stocks making waves in the market. Headlines are popping up everywhere, social media is abuzz, and it seems like every financial influencer has an opinion on what's hot and what's not. But with all this noise, it can be tough to separate the hype from the real opportunities. Today we're going to break down some of the most talked about stocks right now. Ryde, PTL, APVO, MRIN, KWE, and NWGL, and help you figure out if any of them deserve a spot in your portfolio. Whether you're a seasoned investor or just starting out, understanding the story behind each stock is key to making smart decisions. So let's dive in and take a closer look at what's driving the excitement and the risks behind these companies. The big question on everyone's mind is simple: is now the right time to buy, or should you hold off and wait for a better entry point? Maybe you're wondering if it's time to cash out and take your profits, or if you should double down and ride the wave. These are the kinds of decisions that can make or break your investment strategy, and they're never easy, especially when emotions are running high and the market is moving fast. But remember, investing isn't about chasing the latest trend or following the crowd. It's about doing your homework, understanding the fundamentals, and making choices that fit your goals and risk tolerance. So, let's get right to it and break down these stocks one by one. We'll look at what each company does, what's driving their recent performance, and what you need to watch out for before making a move. First up on our list is Ryde Group, a name that's been generating a lot of interest lately. Ryde Group is all about revolutionizing the way we move. They're a transportation technology company that's trying to carve out a niche in a crowded and competitive field. Think ride-sharing, smart mobility solutions, and cutting-edge vehicle technology. Their mission is to make urban transportation more efficient, sustainable, and user-friendly. But here's the thing: the transportation tech space is packed with big players and well-funded startups, all vying for a piece of the pie. Ryde has some innovative ideas and a growing fleet, but they're up against giants like Uber, Lyft, and a host of international competitors. The question is, can they stand out and capture enough market share to justify their current valuation? When you look at Ryde's financials, you'll see that their growth trajectory is impressive. Revenue has been climbing steadily, and they've managed to expand into new markets faster than many expected. Their partnerships with local governments and tech firms have given them a leg up in certain regions. However, the competition is fierce, and margins in this industry are notoriously thin. Investors need to keep an eye on how Ryde manages costs, scales its operations, and differentiates itself from the pack. If they can execute on their vision, there's real potential